Hello everybody, it's Dhaval. It's about, I think it's about close to 5:45. The Def Leppard concert. Whoa, it really stinks like marijuana here. Somebody's token reefer. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go to this wingery here called Bubs Wingery. The show here right now, the Def Leppard concert, is going to start at 6 with Steve Miller opening. I really don't care about seeing the Steve Miller band open. I'm looking forward to really seeing Journey and Def Leppard, but just wanted to kind of show you Bubs over here. And this is the restaurant. Now apparently this place has like some of the best wings ever, but it's right over here. It's kind of packed. It's actually kind of died down now because the concert's going to be starting soon, but it's over here called Bubs. And this gentleman here coming back in here. This is what happens when you get the VIP access, right? So anyway, but there it is, man. Bubs. And kind of see, it's kind of a cool bar. It's really happening. A lot of these people are getting ready to go to the concert, but this place is really known for its wings and everything. So I'm looking forward to trying the wings here. Some of the festivities and things. I think this is one of the security guards here doing something here for my vlog. What's your name, man?
David, how are you?
Good, man. Hey, I heard the wings here are really kick-ass.
They're bomb.
The bomb? Yeah. What's your favorite here?
I like the wings.
Yeah, but do you have like a favorite sauce or something? Just all of them?
I'm just, yeah, dude, I like to eat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like the spicy one, so. But anyway, we just wanted to check this out here, so. Here's a shot of downtown. It's really cool. And just gonna go ahead and kind of walk around here. Let's see this. Kind of blown away, but it's really crowded, very lively here. But yeah, it's kind of a cool place here. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and order some of the wings that they're well known for, and I will check in with you guys soon. Hope you guys are liking all these videos here that I have posted. And if you definitely come down to downtown San Diego, you have to check out Bubs Wingery if you're a big chicken wing fan, or if you want to just have some beers and relax and come out here in a really lively environment. So anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from downtown San Diego at Bubs Wingery, and I will check with you. Yeah, I think so. What's your? Can you come here? What's your name?
My name is Priscilla.
Hi, Priscilla. I'm shooting my vlog here. Can you come over here?
I don't want to be.
Yeah, oh, come on.
No, I'm shy.
Okay. Well, anyway, she's a little shy.
Yes, I am.
So, anyway, do you want the 5 or the 10 wing? What do you recommend, the 5 wing or the 10 wing?
I mean, if you're gonna go for the wing, I personally like the chicken tenders. If you want like a boneless vibe, but we're known for our wings and our tater tots.
Well, you guys have boneless wings too, right?
We do. Yeah. We just added them to the menu, so they're a little new still. But our wings, we bake them and char broil them, so they're grilled wings. They're pretty popular. Archie's our most popular sauce is the buffalo honey mustard wing, so it's like a medium sauce.
What is the Archie habanero?
So that's just our popular sauce, but a habanero version, like a spicier.
Their lemon pepper, I heard your lemon pepper is really good.
Lemon pepper's my favorite. Sweet chili's good as well. Archie, Carolina Gold is the honey mustard barbecue wing.
So is a 5 a good size?
Yeah, they're pretty meaty. They're a good size. I don't know how hungry you guys are, but...
Okay, why don't we do this? I'll get the 5 Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. I gotta shoot this. I'm gonna get the 5 Buffalo Wild Wing sauce.
The regular buffalo.
Do you want to get the lemon pepper or?
I want the Archie habanero.
And let's get 5 of the habanero, and let's get 5 of the lemon pepper sauce one.
And then are we doing ranch or blue cheese with these wings?
Ranch.
Ranch, okay.
Yeah. And
Celery.
It comes with celery. I don't have carrots.
Oh, I don't care.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, any basket of fries, sauce, or anything, or just?
I just want some sparkling water now.
Okay, alright, so soda water. Do you want any lime, lemon, or anything?
Just some lime. Yeah, that's it.
I've gained it in a can.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have some sparkling water right now. And I'm sorry, what was your name?
Priscilla.
Okay, thanks,
Yes,
Priscilla.
Priscilla.
Thank you.
I'm like, fine, I'll give in.
All right, we'll check in with you a little later here when the wings come in. All right. Okay, everybody, I got my wings. I got the chicken wings here with regular barbecue sauce. Or not barbecue sauce, but buffalo sauce, I should say. Ranch dressing. These are the lemon pepper wings. And I got the order of 5 here. So I'm going to go ahead and dip the wing here in the ranch dressing. And let's go ahead and try it out. Now, what's beautiful about these wings here at Bubs is that they aren't fried. They're actually baked in an oven. And let's see how it is. Oh wow, that's really good. You gotta see here. It's really tender. The meat is just very, very juicy. And the sauce is really great, just like the right amount of sauce. Now I like to have ranch dressing, as you can see here. You can kind of see, I'm already kind of making a little bit of a mess here with my fingers. But, you know, it's all good when you're enjoying food. I'm gonna take another bite here of the buffalo sauce wings. Really good. Now I'm going to try the lemon pepper right here. I'm going to take and this is the dry rub lemon pepper here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go ahead and take a taste of it. Wow, that's really good. Again, the meat is really tender. And you can taste the dry rub. It has a little kick to it. Love the acidity of the lemon. And it's kind of got a little bit of a smoky flavor too, which is great. So, wow. It's really fantastic. I really recommend everybody come here and try this place. I've got to get an idea here. Really happening right now. People love to come here, enjoy the wings before a game or a concert, like what I'm doing right now. And yeah, just really cool. I'm gonna kind of keep on digging here. Again, this is the buffalo wing with the buffalo sauce. Really good. It's just like very good meat, very tender, very juicy. Wow. The thing I've always wondered about wings is it's so messy every time you eat them, but you can't help yourself. You kind of eat like a little bit like a savage, you know? Really good. Now back to the lemon pepper. I'm gonna try this one here. Wow, I just love the again, I just love the acidity, and like the pepper on it here too makes like a nice little bark. It's really good. Getting it down to the bone here, so yeah. When in San Diego, you definitely got to try Bubs. Highly recommend it. It's worth the hype and everything that everybody told me about. And just really enjoying these delectable wings. Anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Bubs Wings. Bubs at the park, right by Petco Park here in downtown San Diego, which definitely has the best wings here in town. So I will check in with you guys later, and thanks for tuning in. So a little quick post video after eating all the wings. You can kind of see I scarfed it down like an animal. There's still one big one here, but I ate these like a savage. my stomach is kind of bloated right now, and I'm looking forward to walking over to Petco Park now to get ready for the show. So I'm gonna just finish up this sparkling water and hightail it down to the stadium now. I'm assuming Steve Miller will probably be over by now, or pretty soon. So that gives us some time to find the seats and get ready for Journey and Def Leppard. But as you can clearly see here, I totally scarfed these wings down. A total pigsty here. But I ate like a savage, and the wings were really good. Highly recommend it. So definitely check out Bubs at the ballpark for chicken wings. All right, talk to you soon.